Welcome to Divine Action Figure Toy Photography. On this review is on three notable characters from Disney. I think one of them is from Hanna-Barbera, and I think two of them are from Hanna-Barbera. I know He-Man is, and Lionel from the Thundercats, and Goliath from Gargoyles. These characters were pretty much around the time of when I was graduating out of high school, and probably a few years before, like 88, Gargoyles, Thundercats, and He-Man. He-Man is a remake of Conan and Kazar, the Savage. The Thundercats is based on the same concept of He-Man. And Gargoyles is a whole new concept, different from either one of those characters. But yeah, these characters here, one of them's made by NECA. Pardon me, not Mecca, NECA. The other one's made by Mattel. And I think, the Lionel's made by Super 7. So yeah, these characters have been remade compared to how they were looking back in the 80s. They're a little more mainstream for adult collectors besides children, and the nostalgia of these characters and the sculpting and the painting and all the aesthetics of these characters are a little bit more for an adult view or perspective. And for collecting, I do toy photography. I haven't finished, but I've collected quite a few figures. These figures here I'm reviewing because I have them in my roster of other figures I'm going to be using in with my other characters and do scenes with them, photo scenes. So yeah, thank you for watching. I on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. My YouTube channel link should be in my bio on TikTok. Like and subscribe and support. Hit the bell notification for new content coming. But, much appreciative for folks to come in and take a journey through the concept mind and the toy aspect of my review. But yeah, thank you for your time and energy, and one love. Peace out.